Get acquainted with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.